Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up TP-Link Deco X50-Outdoor Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi 6. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access all over in your home, then this TP-Link Deco X50-Outdoor setup is one of the best solution. The TP-Link Deco X50-Outdoor is a Wi-Fi 6 mesh unit designed to extend strong and seamless internet coverage both indoors and outdoors. It's weatherproof and easy to mount. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. Start with the product unboxing. Inside the TP-Link Deco X50-Outdoor box, you'll find the Deco unit itself, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and mounting accessories for easy indoor or outdoor installation. It also includes a quick installation guide to help you set up your mesh Wi-Fi system quickly. Now place your main Deco unit indoors near your modem or router. Power it on and connect it to your modem using the Ethernet cable. Wait for the LED indicator to pulse blue, ready for setup. Install the TP-Link Deco app, available on iOS and Android. Log in or create a TP-Link ID. Open the Deco app, tap plus icon, add Deco, then choose Deco X50-Outdoor, or the matching X50-Outdoor model. The app will ask for Bluetooth/location to find the Deco, allow it. When it finds the Deco, follow the prompts, choose internet type. First is dynamic IP, most ISPs no username password. Second is PPPoE, enter ISP username password. And last, the third one is static IP, enter IP, subnet, gateway, DNS from ISP. Mount the Deco X50-Outdoor in your preferred outdoor location, wall/pole mount, under a roof for protection. Ensure it's within range of the main Deco. Power it on, wait for the LED to pulse blue. In the app, tap Add Deco, follow instructions to connect the outdoor unit wirelessly. Your TP-Link Deco X50-Outdoor/Indoor Whole Home Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system is now ready to provide strong, seamless Wi-Fi inside and outside your home. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.